Hey Glam Fam, welcome back to my channel. It's Jasmine Roma here. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup that beauty gurus made me buy. Now, a lot of my makeup, I'll be totally honest with you, I've probably bought them all because either my good friends recommended them to me or I've been conned into buying these products by some of my favorite beauty gurus. I think it's something that we all do, and I mean, I think that's why they're called beauty gurus, because we trust them to recommend us good products, and when we see them do reviews on them, we can see for ourselves whether or not we like the product. I have here a bunch of products, a whole box full. We got heaps. And so I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup I'm going to be doing a full face of makeup that beauty gurus made me buy. So the palette that I'm going to be using today is the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. Now this is one of my favorite palettes. I love the color story in the palette, and it has been used quite a lot and it is very loved, as you can see. I will be using this palette today. So this palette, I'm fairly sure the first review I ever saw on this palette was by Nikki Tutorials, and I just loved the look that she created from it. So this product was recommended to me by Nikki Tutorials from watching her review. This was the first ever Huda